Hi, I'm Vicky's other half, Jamie. Together we're doing gardening stuff, having fun. This is in the greenhouse that we built this fall and barely got it done in time for the cold weather to set in, but it's a balmy 86 degrees right now in here. So hopefully you're going to have some fun watching our channel, and we have fun and we try to keep it light. I'm the head laborer and usually the photographer and editor of video and stuff like that. And enjoy, and please subscribe to our channel, Vicky's Garden Adventures. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little clip on some benches I did out of pallets that turned out really good, pallets and logs. So if you got a chainsaw and you got some trees handy you want to cut down, not real hard to do. Only took about a half an hour per table, and they're fairly rugged. This table right here we built out of some cedar we bought on Craigslist, and that's what we bought the frame for the greenhouse on Craigslist. So there's some deals out there. You just got to know where to go and look. We're going to be doing some videos on raised beds out of logs. Again, if you've got some trees or you just find trees inside the road and you got a chainsaw, they're not hard to do, but a little labor intensive, but they come out really good. And that's about it. So tune in for more videos.